Upgrade your home security with the latest in smart technology. The best smart lock for front door offers keyless entry, remote access, and advanced protection, ensuring safety and convenience at your fingertips. Number 1. Eufy Security Smart Lock. When it comes to home security, reliability and convenience are key, and this smart lock delivers on both fronts. Powered by 8Ah batteries, it provides an impressive battery life of up to 8 months, ensuring long-term usability without frequent replacements. The self-learning AI fingerprint recognition system improves with every touch, eliminating the frustration of repeated failed attempts. This feature makes unlocking quick and seamless, taking less than 1.5 seconds. Beyond fingerprint access, there are 6 additional unlocking methods, including the Eufy Security app, keypad, physical key, Apple Watch, and voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant, providing flexibility for all users. The built-in Wi-Fi connectivity eliminates the need for an additional bridge, allowing remote control via the Eufy Security app. Through this app, users can manage access, receive real-time notifications, and track event history with ease. If integrated with a Eufy doorbell, it enhances home security further by allowing synchronized control of devices, ensuring seamless keyless entry. This smart lock is built to withstand extreme conditions, with an operating range from 22 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, and its IP53 waterproof rating adds durability. Additionally, an alarm system is triggered by unusual unlocking attempts, offering an extra layer of security. Combining cutting-edge technology with robust security features, this smart lock is an excellent choice for modern homes. Number 2. Veise Smart Lock. Offering a sophisticated blend of security and functionality, this smart lock is designed for homeowners seeking reliable protection with enhanced control options. With its 7-in-1 access system, users can unlock their door using a fingerprint, smartphone app, web portal, fobs, PIN codes, e-key sharing, or a mechanical key. The Veise app and web portal allow remote access management, user authorization, and activity tracking, making it easy to grant or revoke permissions from anywhere. This feature is especially useful for homeowners, landlords, and property managers. Security is a top priority with this lock, as it includes features like auto lock, one-touch locking, privacy mode, and passage mode, ensuring a secure environment at all times. Its anti-peeping and anti-hacking touchscreen keypad prevents unauthorized access, while the low battery alert ensures you never get locked out unexpectedly. For those who want to integrate this lock into a smart home system, the optional Veise G2 gateway, sold separately, enables voice control via Alexa and Google Home, remote monitoring, and real-time access logs. Ideal for residential and commercial use, this smart lock is a reliable choice for anyone looking to enhance their home security with advanced technology. Number 3. Eufy Keyless Smart Lock. Designed for convenience and security, this smart lock offers remote access without requiring an additional bridge, thanks to its built-in Wi-Fi. Through the Eufy Security app, homeowners can easily manage access, receive real-time notifications, and review event history, ensuring complete control even when away from home. Unlike touchscreen models, this smart lock features durable physical buttons that are highly responsive and resistant to errors, making it a more reliable option for those who prefer tactile feedback. The lock supports multiple unlocking methods, including physical keys, Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands, and manual button operation. Its auto lock function ensures doors are secured automatically based on user-defined settings. Installation is hassle-free, requiring no drilling and taking only 15 minutes, making it accessible for DIY enthusiasts. Additionally, Eufy provides excellent customer service, offering 24/7 support and an 18-month warranty for added peace of mind. Durability is another highlight, with the lock operating in extreme temperatures ranging from 22 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit and featuring IPX3 waterproofing. A wrong try protection feature temporarily locks the system after multiple incorrect attempts, adding an extra layer of security. With its robust design and user-friendly features, this smart lock is a solid investment for those seeking convenience without compromising security. Number 4. Philips Smart Lock. Combining style and security, this smart lock enhances home entrances with its sleek design and integrated handle. The addition of a handle makes for an effortless locking and unlocking experience, setting it apart from traditional keypad locks. With built-in Wi-Fi, homeowners can control their door remotely using the Philips app, allowing them to lock, unlock, and monitor activity in real time. Notifications, access history, and user management options ensure complete control at all times. The lock supports 5 unlocking methods, including fingerprint recognition, PIN codes, physical keys, app control, and voice commands via Alexa or Google Assistant. Its advanced biometric technology ensures ultra-fast fingerprint recognition in just 0.3 seconds with 99.99% accuracy, making entry seamless. The ability to generate unlimited one-time PIN codes or store up to 100 permanent codes adds flexibility for homeowners who frequently host guests or need temporary access for deliveries or service providers. Security remains a top priority, with temporary PIN codes expiring after use to prevent unauthorized access. This feature is particularly useful for rental properties and Airbnb hosts. By combining cutting-edge technology with an elegant design, this smart lock is an ideal choice for those seeking both aesthetics and advanced security in their home entry system. Number 5. Kucacci Security Smart Lock. Bringing versatility and convenience to home security. This smart lock features an easy DIY installation process that takes only 10 minutes and requires no specialized tools. Its compact and reversible handle design ensures compatibility with both left and right door openings, making it a practical upgrade for any home. Users can choose from multiple access methods, including fingerprint scanning, PIN codes, smartphone app control, key fobs, and mechanical keys. Additionally, remote unlocking and Alexa voice control are available when paired with a Wi-Fi gateway. This flexibility makes it a great option for families, as it allows personalized access for children and elderly family members. Managing property access is simplified with the Nice Digi app, a free lifetime platform that enables landlords and property managers to oversee multiple smart locks remotely. With its combination of advanced technology, ease of use, and seamless integration, this smart lock provides a reliable and user-friendly security solution for modern homes and multi-property management. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.